Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into your DeepL account. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now in the search bar, you can simply search www.deepl.com and press enter. You will be directly led to this home page, and at the top right, you can see the option login. Click over there. Now if you don't have your account, you need to click on sign up option and they will be guiding you further step to create your account. But now we have our account, we need to simply fill down our credentials, that is enter your email. Likewise, you need to enter your password. In case if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover your password. If not, then you can simply click on login. And after that, you will be logged into your DeepL account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.